You're here to learn how you can stream a football or soccer match on your website, and you will need a WordPress site, WP Stream, OBS Studio, and your phone or laptop camera. I'm Beatrice, and I've been helping streamers like yourself go live on their website and monetize their live streams and videos for about 6 years. So, this is the page and how we want our match to look like on our websites. So the first thing I'm doing is actually going back to the admin section of my WordPress site, as mentioned earlier, and I'm going to go to plugins and click on add plugin. And from here, we want to look up WP Stream. So we'll type in WP Stream and you'll see the plugin show up. As you can see, it's currently active, but if you don't have it active, it will say install and then activate. So make sure you do that. I'm going to WP Stream credentials and I've logged into my account. You can also create an account, register on wpstream.net. Now I'm going to all channels and you can either create a free to view or a pay per view channel. I'm creating a free to view channel for this. So I'm adding a title, a description, I can add some images, tags, categories, and things like that, just like you would a normal page or blog post on WordPress. And I'm publishing my channel. Now I have this section right here, which is the live streaming section. And before I turn it on, I want to go to channel settings and I want to, let's see, I may want to record the live stream so I can sell it later if I want. So I'm just going to enable that. You can display viewer count, autoplay, and start muted. Make sure you add those together because the chances are higher to autoplay if they start muted. You can also enable low latency so that everything is as quick as possible and as seamless. And I want to click on turn on channel. Now that my channel has turned on, I want to click on Go Live with External Streaming App. And for this video, I'm using OBS Studio, which is a free pro tool that you can use to live stream events. I'm going to Settings. And from Settings, I want to click on Stream. Under Service, choose Custom. And here we can paste the server and stream key from WP Stream. So here are my server and stream keys. Click on OK. And now I can go ahead and start streaming. That is basically it for this step. You're basically live. So let's go to our channel and see how it looks like. So here is our football or soccer match, depending on how you see it. And this is how the page looks like. So the theme and demo that we're using is the main demo from the Hello WP Stream theme. I also want to add a live chat. So I'm going to customize live channel settings and enable show chat free to view better messages plugin. I'm publishing this and this is my chat room. So your viewers can join the chat room and chat amongst each other or with you as the person who is actually streaming. And once you're done streaming, simply go back to OBS Studio and click on Stop Streaming. And that is basically it on how to live stream a football or soccer match. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.